Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. If you don't want to sit by the sink all day or want to use your makeup brushes right away after you clean them, this video is definitely so. If y'all want to know how I clean my makeup brushes, please keep on watching. Guys, so the secret to the magic is this right here. So this is Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. I don't know if you guys seen this before or not, but this is seriously a game changer. If you're done cleaning your makeup brushes, you can use them right away. And like I said, it is rinse free, so you don't have to rinse your makeup brushes with water or anything. You solely just use the second product that you would need is this right here. So what this is an aluminum cup, and this is what you will pour the liquid into. If you buy the small size of the brush cleaner, this will come with it. If you buy the large size, this will not come with it. So I would recommend, if you're new to trying this product, I would buy the small one just so you can get this as well, and so you could try it to see if you even like it. What you will need is a towel. You can use paper towels, but the only thing about paper towels that I find is like the little fuzziness will come off and be on my makeup brushes, so I don't like that. So I just use one towel, and I just always use that same towel whenever I'm cleaning my makeup brushes. And it doesn't have to be a large towel, it could just be, you know, a regular medium-sized towel. And you'll see my towel in the video, and don't judge it because it is stained from me cleaning my makeup brushes, so just FYI. So that's how I clean my makeup brushes. It's quick, it's easy. Below I will link the small version and the large version for you guys to try if you guys want to try it out. It's seriously a life changer for me. And if you do try it out, let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.